Alright, so guys, here we have it. This is my receipt. This is an unboxing video of Gears of War Judgement since our channel is just starting. This is how we're going to start it off, so here we go. So first off, I got this most wanted list so I can trade in games. Obviously, that's not really important. Then I have my pre-order exclusives, which is Classic Hamburst. I don't know if you can see it. Classic Hamburst, Young Marcus, and Sophia. So yeah, oh no, it's Alex Brand. Yeah, so Young Marcus and Alex Brand character skins and the Classic Hamburst. So that's my pre-order thing, and I'm gonna redeem that later. See, there's 3 codes on the back. 3 codes on the back. By the time you guys see this, there aren't. I'm already gonna be redeemed this. So this is pretty cool stuff. Yeah. So let's move on to what's actually important. So I'll show you guys one more time. Pre-orders gives us this nice little card with all 3 pre-order exclusives. And now the game itself. Ah yes, Gears of War Judgement. That is something to see. Alright, I'm just gonna use my mic thing to start the ripping off here. And we're gonna open this bad boy up. Oh my. Tough one. There you go. Alright. Opened up. Let's see how this goes. I am going to include some gameplay, so like I'm going to go and check out the main menu and see what that's all about. So if you guys just want to stick around a little longer, you guys can see that. So here we go. This bad boy, limited time offer. Includes codes for original Gears of War for Xbox 360. Wow, that's pretty cool. So they're giving us Gears of War 1 with this? Oh wow. Didn't even know that. That's pretty cool. So here you have it, the unwrapped style of Gears of War Judgement. And on the back, you have all of this nice information on what's up. What does it have as features and all that, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. It's pretty cool. So I don't want to make this video too long and boring for you guys. I want to explain the cover. So in the cover you obviously have the squad. Of course they're missing Paduk. So you can see here there's Cole, Bear, the main character, and Sophia. I don't know why they didn't put Paduk there, but all in all the graphics and all that is looking pretty good. I did play the overrun beta. The early access, as they call it. So, yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty good game we're about to see. Oh, you also get a 2-day gold trial. So if ever I run out of gold, I can just keep doing that. Continue the battle against the Locust Horde with the original Gears of War and play online friends with this. This is the actual. So this is a 2-day code and the Gears of War 1. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is the Gears of War 1 code with the 2-day trial. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent. They put a lot of features in this. I'm pretty sure they put a lot of hard work. So here you have your 2 pre-order things. The one that comes with the game, the pre-order exclusive. So those are the 2 things that you'll get once you buy the game or once you receive the game, which is pretty cool. And now let's just check out the disc. I won't be needing this anymore, so because I have my little binder over here. So let's just check out this disc. So Gears of War Judgement looks to have pretty nice graphic. As you can see, they still wanted that whole like apocalypse thing, so it's pretty sick. So let's pop this baby in and let's see what's good.
Bring it on! Bring it on! Bring it on!